In order for things to change, then you must change. A famous quote from Jim Rohn. We all want to be financially secure, right? But building wealth isn't just about landing a high-paying job. It's about understanding how money works and making smart decisions with your income. If you want to build wealth, improve your financial literacy, and learn from the best, reading books on finance is a great place to start. The right books can teach you about investing, saving, budgeting, and mindset shifts that lead to financial freedom. Some of the most successful investors out there learned everything from scratch, just like you and me. So in this video, we're diving into the top 10 best-selling finance books that can help you become wealthy. Let's get after it. First up, we got a classic that shook the foundation of how we think about money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It challenges traditional beliefs about money. Kiyosaki contrasts his poor dad with his rich dad. The book highlights the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. It's about how much you keep and how hard it works for you. The rich have money work for them. Shift from being a consumer to an investor. Break free from the rat race and build financial freedom. Next up is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, a no-nonsense guide to getting your finances in tip-top shape. Ramsey lays out a clear, step-by-step plan to help you eliminate debt, save money, and build a solid financial future. His famous baby steps method is incredibly effective. Live like no one else now, so later you can live like no one else. Now let's talk about The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko. This book debunks common myths about how millionaires actually live. Stanley and Danko conducted extensive research on actual millionaires and found that most of them live surprisingly frugal lives. They drive used cars, live in modest homes, and avoid unnecessary spending. The book highlights the importance of living below your means, saving diligently, and investing wisely. One of the key takeaways is that wealth is more often the result of a lifestyle of hard work, perseverance, planning, and self-discipline. The Millionaire Next Door is a must-read for anyone who wants to understand the true habits of wealth builders. Next up is a timeless classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book isn't just about finance, it's about the power of mindset and achieving success. Hill studied the wealthiest people to uncover principles behind their achievements. Our thoughts have incredible power. The book emphasizes setting clear goals and cultivating belief in yourself. Hill outlines principles like desire, faith, and persistence. Think and Grow Rich reminds us that mindset is our most valuable asset. Now let's dive into the world of investing with The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is practically a rite of passage for any serious investor. Warren Buffett himself credits Graham's principles for his own incredible success. This book teaches you the principles of value investing, which focuses on buying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals. Graham emphasizes the importance of thorough research, understanding a company's financial statements, and investing for the long term. He stresses the importance of patience, discipline, and avoiding emotional decisions in the market. The Intelligent Investor is an invaluable resource for anyone who's serious about learning the fundamentals of sound investing. Next up is Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book isn't just about managing money, it's about transforming your relationship with it. It encourages you to view money as a tool to achieve your life goals and live a more fulfilling life. One of the key concepts in the book is the idea of trading your life energy for money. The authors encourage you to align your spending with your values and prioritize experiences and things that truly matter to you. Your Money or Your Life is a powerful read for anyone who wants to live a more intentional life and gain control of their finances. Let's step back in time with The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. This book shares timeless financial principles through engaging parables set in ancient Babylon. The book emphasizes the importance of saving, investing wisely, and living below your means. One of the most well-known principles is to pay yourself first by saving at least 10% of your income before you do anything else. It also stresses the importance of seeking financial knowledge and learning from those who are more experienced. The Richest Man in Babylon offers simple yet profound advice that can help anyone achieve financial security and build wealth over time. It's a great read for those who prefer learning through stories and parables. Let's talk about The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle, Vanguard's founder. Bogle pioneered index fund investing, advocating low-cost index funds for long-term wealth. He argued that beating the market is a loser's game. Instead, Capture Market Returns with Broad Market Index Funds. This book is essential for understanding index funds and compound growth. Bogle said, "Don't look for the needle, just buy the haystack." Let's get practical with I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book is a no-nonsense guide to mastering your personal finances, automating your savings and investments, and achieving financial freedom. Sethi provides actionable advice on negotiating better fees, finding hidden bank fees, and optimizing your credit score. He emphasizes the importance of automating your finances so you can save and invest effortlessly. He also encourages readers to spend extravagantly on the things they love while cutting costs mercilessly on the things they don't. This book is a great resource for anyone who wants to take control of their money, build good financial habits, and achieve their financial goals faster. Last but not least, we have The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book delves into the often overlooked emotional and behavioral aspects of money. It explores how our psychology, biases, and upbringing influence our financial decisions. Housel argues that doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. He shares compelling stories and insights that illustrate how our emotions can lead to irrational financial decisions. The Psychology of Money is a must-read for anyone who wants to understand the human side of finance and make better financial decisions. So, there you have it, guys, the top 10 best-selling finance books that can transform your wealth. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't just about earning more. It's about managing money wisely, investing early, and developing the right mindset. These 10 best-selling finance books provide timeless lessons that can help you build long-term wealth. Pick one that resonates with you, that aligns with your current financial goals, and dive in. Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like some personalized recommendations based on your financial goals, hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with someone who wants to improve their finances. Until next time, keep crushing it.